Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie with garage flip, garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy TP, Tesla picker from Kentucky? Well, everybody doing their picking, but I just want you to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, this is Kevin. I just wanted to make a video about, certain things that I sell. I sell mostly everything, but I like finding clocks too, different kind of clocks. They sell for a little bit of money and they're cheap. So we're gonna go over some of the clocks that I'm selling right now. I have sold a whole lot of clocks in the past, but we're finna go over the clocks that I'm selling right now. Okay? First, we're gonna start off with this one. See how much I paid for that? $2. Okay, here's a little case. You open it up, and it's like a little alarm clock. See that? Hold on. It's set in there right. See that? It's a little alarm clock. This is by Seth Thomas. I never heard of the name before, but Thomas clocks sell for a lot of money. This is an alarm clock, a little portable alarm clock. This is selling for $19. I paid $2 for it. I got it on eBay for $19 right now. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, this clock right here. This is called a table clock. And I like buying this Howard Miller brand because you can find these everywhere and they're cheap. You can see, I think I paid $2 for this one too. See, $2. This on there for $24. $24 for $2. So y'all quit passing this stuff up. The third one, this one. This is called a mantle clock. I think I paid $4 for this one. I think I took a tag off. But this is a Danbury clock. It's got a little sticker on there. I'm not gonna take that off. It say, "I'm blessed to be your friend." Okay, whatever. This is like $30 on eBay right now. This one right here. Some of them, if it was brand new, would be $100-something. Okay. Okay. The next up is a Laura Ashley. Hold on a minute. Let me put you on pause. Yeah, I'm back. Hey, I had to move something right quick. I hope I get back to where I left off, but if I don't, I don't. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me see where I left off at. What clock was I showing y'all? That Laura, I think it was that Laura. Let me dig it back out. Yeah, I think it was this one. Was it this one? Yeah. But anyway, this is a Laura Ashley perfume. I guess you get it, when you buy the perfumes and they give you gifts. I guess it was like that. Okay, this one's selling for $24 on eBay. Where the sticker at? I think I paid $2 for that too. Most of these clocks I paid $2 for. Now, I would have passed this up about 2-3 years ago. I would have passed this up. Wouldn't think it was worth nothing. But since I've been selling them, I know which one's worth some, which one's not. Okay, this one, I hardly never find them brand new in the box. This is Seiko. The oldest I could find was a pre-owned one. I couldn't find a new one. The pre-owned was $19.99, so I'm gonna sell this for about $30. Brand new, still in the box. It's a Seiko. Okay. Let me see. I like finding Timex stuff. This is a Timex. This selling for $36.99. $36.99. That's how much they're selling for. I think I paid $4 for this one. Oh, $3.99, $4. Okay, that's at Savers. I like Savers. Okay, this is probably one that's worth the most money. This one right here. It's got a Westminster chime. This is electronic chime though. This is another Howard Miller clock. I paid $6 for this one. On eBay, one just like this one, but except for it had the gold trim around it. I can't find this one, but it's just like this except for it had gold trim around it, around right here. Sold for $199. Okay, I can't find this one, this number right there, the 635 165. I can't find that number nowhere. And when I scan the barcode, it don't come up. So I'm gonna put this on for $99, probably $100. I paid $6 for it. Okay? You don't have the gold ring around it. So I'm not gonna sell it for like I would anything else. You guys know I like to buy ink. This for IBM typewriter. No, Smith Corona typewriter, this ink right here. Usually when I buy this IBM, it's not worth nothing. This worth $19 right here. This one because it's for Smith Corona. Okay. This radio right here, this portable radio, I paid $2 for it. Selling on eBay for $29. The Radio Shack. Okay. I'm finished with the clocks. I'm proud of this one right here. You guys work on cars, you know what this is. This is what the dealer used to find out what's wrong with your car. This is the controller right here. You hook this up to a computer and you can read all your car sensors. You can read everything. You can do anything with a car with this. You can lift the windows up and down. You can do anything. You can test all the sensors in the car. All the sensors. Now I looked this up. It's just specifically for a Hyundai or something like that. I forgot the name of the car, but I think it's a Hyundai. And from 2004 to 2012 or some crap. But 2015. But anyway, this selling for $3.99 on eBay. I don't have the other piece to go right here. Somebody took that, but this selling for $300 something. I'm missing a couple of pieces, so I'm gonna put on there for $250. I forgot another clock. I'm sorry. Sorry, I dropped something. I'm gonna put on there for $250. But this was a good buy. I paid $2.99 for the Savers. What the? So even if I put it up for $150, I'm still beating it. You know what I'm saying? So this is a good buy. Okay, this clock right here, I forgot about this one. This is a Seiko too. This right here is a $59 clock. I paid $4 for this clock. $4. If it's brand new, it'll be $100 easy. But it's not brand new. So I lied when I said I was finished with the clocks. I forgot about this one. What else I get? Oh, I got this Xbox 360 camera. This $24 on eBay. Anything webcam selling right now on eBay. This used, but it came up at $29 too. But it's used. You can see I paid $3.99 for that at Savers. $3.99. It's used. I'm gonna open the box up and tidy it up a little bit, you know. But even used itself for $20-something. And I left it. I found a portable GPS too for $2.99. 2 of them. And I looked up and got 2. I left the other one at home. But this right here is not selling for nothing like $20-something. But the other one is black. It's selling for $99. I opened the battery thing up and it's corroded on the inside, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. But I'm keeping this one for myself. I got a bug out bag. You know what I'm saying? And I might keep this one for myself since it ain't worth that much. I paid $2.99 for both of them. They were in different bags. $2.99. As soon as I saw them, I knew they were GPS. But then I looked one up. That black one is worth more than this one. This one is older because it's got that little big antenna. See that big old antenna? And both of them Garmin's. So I think the same person had it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I just wanted to go over these clocks, but I end up going over some more stuff too. But don't pass these clocks up. You know what I'm saying? When you see some clocks and they look good, like mantle clocks like this is a mantle clock. You know, you sit on your mantle in your living room or your family room or something, and it's got a chime. So at 12 o'clock, I mean at every o'clock, whatever time it is, 3, 4, 5, 6, it'll chime. So anyway, it's a truck pulling up, y'all. Hold on a minute. Let me put you on pause. Sorry, y'all. Had to answer that question for this dude. But anyway, don't pass these clocks up. And I try to show y'all something every week not to pass up. I sell almost everything. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to bring these eyeglass cases with me today to work today so I could put them on eBay, but I forgot them. I hit the jackpot the other day with eyeglass cases. I probably got about 40 of them. Name, brand, multiples. So, you know, that's what you want to look for too. If I'd have seen like 10 of these clocks, the same, I would have got all of them. Okay, so you want to look for multiple sales. Like I got that bag of, I'll probably do the video tomorrow, but that bag of eyeglass cases, you know, I hit the jackpot. I bought every last one of them at $1 a piece. I think it's like 30 or 40 of them. So I paid $40, whatever. I bought all of them. So even if I don't sell them, I'll bunch them up and sell them as bunches or whatever. But I like selling stuff like that. You know, I like selling stuff don't nobody else sell. So anyway, let me answer this. Yeah, what's going on, Yuri?
Can you throw a good pallet trailer in door 18?
Yeah, that's clear. I will. Yeah, I got to throw a pallet trailer in one of these doors. But anyway, see, you hear that chime? I don't know why it's going off now, though. Oh, okay, it's 6 o'clock. See? You hear it? Woo, look at that. So, I'm going to take the batteries out. I just tested it the other day. I'm going to put this on eBay today while I'm sitting on this truck. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say, you know, keep your mask on. You know what I'm saying? Follow the rules and regulations. I'm a Marine, so I'm going to follow the rules and regulations. Excuse me, I got COVID. But anyway, yeah. So all I want to do is say, you know, everybody else picking, but we picking the hood too. Yeah, peace. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm sorry. Forgot to say, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Subscribe. And we picking the hood too. Yeah, peace.